In this RouteCAD tutorial video, we will see how to create construction line with keep out of routing. We have designed most of the part of the chuck. We also have designed a cutting tool using construction line with the keep out of routing enabled. Recall that a construction line with keep out of routing enabled prevent these objects to be routed, so they are only for graphical representation and they will never be routed and cannot be routed because we are enabling the keep out of routing. The red line over there are also construction line, but they were drawn with the keep out of routing not enabled, and these object can be routed and eventually exported to G-code. Now we want to finish this chuck that we've started, and we're going to be drawing some lines. But before we draw some lines, we're going to enable the option of the keep out of routing. To do so, we go to the option menu and we select keep out of routing. If we go back, we can see now keep out of routing is checked. Now the next thing we need to do is to draw some lines. So we go to the draw menu and we click on line. Now use mouse is already enabled or checked, and we're going to be use the drawing line with 2 points. We click on continue. We also would like to be able to snap, so we're going to press F3 to enable the snap. By pressing F3, the snap is now enabled. So now the snap option are midpoint, endpoint. Basically, we're only going to be snapping to endpoint, but we can leave the other one there. That doesn't matter. So we're going to click on the first line that we want to draw, another keep out of routing line over here. There's also another line missing over there. We click and we click the right mouse. We click the left mouse button to start drawing line. We drag the mouse, and we click again the left mouse button to finish the line. And then we click the right mouse button to cancel the action of drawing line. And here we have it. We basically finish the chuck holding tool. And this is how we draw objects that are keep out of routing object. If we click the middle mouse button on the object we just drawn, we can see that this is this object obviously is not routed, but also it is a keep out of route line, which means this line can never be routed. It can never be part of the routing sequence, and if a line is not part of the routing sequence, it cannot be exported to G-code. These lines are only there for graphical representation to help us see what is happening. But the good thing about drawing object with the keep out of routing enabled is that when we draw other construction line on it and we want to select this line to route them, the application will never select a line that is keep out of routing line. So we can have on the same project line or feature that are keep out of routing and other feature that are construction line that we intend to route and then eventually export to G-code.